Welcome back, everybody. We have rested and we are in Juneau. It's behind me. So today we have a Glacier Explorer excursion. We're going to explore the Mendenhall Glacier, and yeah, we're gonna have a good time. It is raining, and it is 100% chance of rain today. And by golly gee, if you can't see, it's raining for sure. Okay. Yeah. So I think I'm going to switch over to GoPro and iPhone vlogging, because I do not necessarily can't see it. I don't necessarily want to get this camera damaged, so this camera will be staying in the room, but I will be using my GoPro and my iPhone to get the good footage for you guys, so you can see all of our activities in Juneau. Fun fact about Juneau: no one can get here by car. It is a secluded island. It is the capital of Alaska, and you can either get here by plane or by boat. And by golly gee, we're on a cruise ship.
It'll be like the Niagara Falls. It's very wet. Pretty cool. The rain let up a little bit. All you feel is the dusting off of the waterfall. But we are most likely going to try to fly the drone and see what kind of footage we can get so you guys enjoy. Well, drone is having some issues with its power. Tried updating firmware and stuff, still some issues. So here is the views. We're gonna go on another hiking trail to see if we can get some more views, but it's pretty cool. You like it? Yeah. It's pretty cool. There's some people back there all the way on the other side by that little iceberg that is actually kayaking, which is pretty cool. To the Red Dog Saloon.
Oh, there we go.
Quack, quack.
Stranger,
Alright.
and she said,
Quack, quack, guys.
stranger, shut out the light and leave me.
Make sure you're in the camera.
Somewhere believing you. My little home is a flashing on side. Stop by and see me anytime you want to.
Quack, quack.
I'm always
Quack, quack.
on milk coast time.
Quack, quack, quack. that shit back. I ain't throwing it back.
Oh, thank you.
I can't. I'm not gonna be able to throw this. It's literally a double shot.
Well, I'm assuming most of you folks are on these cruise ships out here, right? How many of you on the cruise ships?
Woo!
Half a dozen of them.
Alright, well that was our day in Juneau. We had a really, really wonderful day. Went and saw the glacier. And yeah, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you tomorrow in Skagway. Bye.